Hi, John McPhail here from Matex Control Chemical in Calgary, Alberta, Canada. This product here that we have here is an environmentally safe thread compound, ES thread compound. ES, on any of our products that you'll see ES, stands for environmentally safe. This is a vegetable oil-based thread compound. So we say we're making a solid connection with Mother Nature. In this video, we're just showing you how environmentally safe it is. We have the dog licking off the thread compound off the top of the threads of this drill bit. This product is sold in, I believe it's a 25 kg pail. It's about a 2.5 gallon pail, small, half the size of a regular pail. Can be used in all applications of drilling, oil field, mining, construction, water well, and especially water well. If you have the opportunity to use environmentally safe products on water wells, then these products are available. We've also used it on HDD drilling, lots of horizontal drilling, and the question had always been there, when you're using a bent sub, the thread compounds that they use in air drilling sometimes will be blown out. We've put this in here, tried it in that application, and it worked fantastic. For any of our other products that you might want to visit our website at www.matex.ccc.com. There's lots of presentations, animations, and videos on there of lots of our other environmentally safe products. Thank you for watching.